Good morning student. Welcome to online classes. Student, today we are going to turn on class 2nd, subject math, exercise 4. First of all, today we will get about the place value. Okay. So, what is a place value? The place value of a digit depends on its position in the number. The place value of a digit depends on its position in the numbers. Okay. The place value of a digit depends on its position in the number. We use the digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to make numbers. We use the digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. If this is a one digit number and this is a two digit number and this is a three digit number. This is one digit number, this is two digit number and this is three digit number. Clear? In the number, let a three digit number. There are three digit number. 1 is ones place, 2 is tens place and also 1 is 100 place. The position or place of a digit in a number tell us about the place value of that digit in the number. The place value of 0 is always 0. If 1 to 1, 1 to 1 is ones place, 2 is tens place, 1 is 100 place. Then place value of 1 is 1 into ones place, 1 equal 1. It means 1 is the ones place, its place value is 1. Okay? फिर 2 is the 10 place, so 2 into 10 it means 20. 2 is the 10 place, its place value is 20. And 1 in the 1 is the 100 place, its place value is 100. Clear है? Another example, it means the place value of a digit depends on its position. What position? Ones, tens, 100 in the numbers. Another example, if 1, 3, 5. 5 is ones place, 5 into 1. Its place value is 5. 3 is tens place, 3 into 10. Its place value is 30. 1 is 100 place, 1 into 100. Its place value is 100. Clear हो गया? And the second topic is expanded form of a number. Expanded form. We write the expanded form of a number by writing the place value of each digit of a number. For example, if look at this number, this is a 3-digit number. Six is ones place. This is a place value chart. Ones, tens, 100. 6 is ones place. 4 is 10 place. 1 is 100 place. 100, 4 tens, 6 ones. It means 100 यानी 100 plus 4 tens, 4 into 10 it means 40. 6 into 1, 6 into 1 means 60. Another example, 1, 6, 4. Draw the place value chart. Ones, tens, 100. Ones is put here. 6, tens, 100. How can we read? 164. It means 100. 6 tens. It means 60. 4 ones. It means 4. This is your expanded form. Clear है? So let's see the first question of your exercise 4. Question number first. Colors the box that show the place value of the colored number. Okay. Colors the boxes that show the place value of the color. First question, 1, 2, 4. Colored number is 2. what is the place value of colored number? What is the place value of colored number? और ये भी दिया है आपका वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड। तो यहाँ पे देखिए 2, दिस इज वंस प्लेस, टेंथ प्लेस, हंड्रेड प्लेस। 2 is where? 10th place. It means 10th place. Its place value is क्या हो जाएगा? 2 into 10 यानी 20. Second question 1, 3, 6. Colored number is 6. What place value of the colored numbers? Six is ones place. Now the next 1, 3, 5. 1 is colored number. 1, 10, 100. 1, 10, 100. 1 is 100. 110. 1 is color digit. Where is 1? One is a 10 place. Again next part 197. 7 is a colored number. Where is 7? 7 is ones place. क्लियर? यहाँ पर आपको ये बताना है कि ये जो नंबर दिए हैं इसमें जो कलर्स वाले नंबर हैं अपनी बुक में देखिए वो आपके किस प्लेस में हैं, प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ द कलर्ड नंबर। तो यहाँ से चेक करिए वंस, टेंस, 100। वेयर इज 2? 2 इज 10 प्लेस। वंस, टेंस, 100। वेयर इज 6? 6 इज वंस प्लेस। वंस, टेंस, 100। वेयर इज 1? 1 इज 100 प्लेस। Ones, tens, 100. Where is 1? 1 is 10 place. Ones, tens, 100. Where is 7? 7 is 1 place. Clear है? All of which part left each question you have to do it in homework. Okay. Now the next question, question number 2. Write the expanded form. Write the expanded form. Let's see as first question. First question है 164. What is expanded form? This is 1 place, this is 10 place, and this is 100 place. 1 is here, 100 place. It means 100. Where is 6? 6 is 10 place. It means 60. Where is 4? 4 is 1 place. It means 4. This is your expanded form. Expanded form means the expanded form of a number is the sum of place value of all digits present in the number. The standard form of a number is when we combine the face value of all digits in the number. This is called is standard form and this is called is expanded form. Next question, 179. Ones, tens, 100. 1 is 100 place, it means 100. 7 is tens place, it means 70. 9 is ones place, it means 9. Next, 200. Ones, tens, 100. 2 is 100 place, it means 2 into 100, 200. And 0 is tens place, it means 0. And again 0 is 1 place. Now the next question, 199. 199. 9 is ones place, 9 is 10 place, and 1 is 100 place. 100 place. 9 is 10 place, it means 9 10 the 90, and again 9 is 1 place, 9 1 the 9. Clear है? One, 4, 4. Ones, tens, 100. 1 is 100 place and 4 is tens place, it means 40. 4 is ones place, it means 4. This is your expanded form and this is your standard form. Now the next question, question number 3, write the numbers. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज राइट द नंबर्स. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका 100 प्लस 10 प्लस 7. अब इसको आपको कंबाइन करके लिखना है. कंबाइन का मतलब देखिए सिंपल सी कंडीशन है 100 10 7 7 1 1. इट मीन्स 170. Next, 100 plus 50 plus 3. इट मीन्स 100 में 50 ऐड करिए फिर 3 ऐड करिए, कितना हो जाएगा आपका 153. ठीक है, ये आपका हो जाएगा 100 प्लस 50 plus 3, it means 153. This is your standard form. Next question. 100 plus 80 plus 0. 100, 80, 0. ऐड कर दीजिए, कितना हो जाएगा आपका 180. क्लियर है? आई होप इट इज क्लियर. So student, your exercise will be finished, and some parts left is question. You have to do it in homework. Now children, today class second, that's why this ends. Tomorrow we'll meet again with a new exercise. Exercise number 5. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.